You may not realize how many resources are available to you 24/7 on the web. Let's start with faculty tutorials for Blackboard. They're right there on the login page. Lots of resources are listed right here, quick links to them, and you can also search all tutorials by going into the knowledge base and then clicking up into the search box and searching on the term for example, discussion board posts, etc. Other resources live on our online teaching resources page. We often refer to these resources when we're sending course prep reminders and course grading reminders because we have placed these steps right here linking to other tutorials. This page also has faculty resources in the right-hand corner. Key contacts for faculty in a live binder. Another live binder features CMU policies for classroom management, including grade grievance policy, academic integrity violation, concerns with a student, links you right to the care team and the care team report. You can link right to the help desk here. We have the helpful student FAQs you can place in your course at the start of a term. Much more on that page, and more to come as well. We'll be adding resources from today's webinar. We invite you to always peruse the upcoming workshops and events hosted by CETL. Some of these are ongoing self-paced. Some are webinars online. Others may be in the classroom. Others might be week-long webinars run asynchronously. Also, the Faculty Resource Center page has many direct links. Blackboard, the directory, email, early alert, or the care team referral. You can review end of course and grade data here. Procedures, forms, the library, syllabus build tool, and another resource for you, housed in Blackboard. We'll log in right here. Where you can find academic integrity resources and best practice samples.